In this really quick video, we're going to take a look at another monthly offering from the Gear EDC Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at Going Gear were kind enough to send me another of their monthly EDC Club packages where they offer a monthly subscription service, kind of a mystery box, mystery package service where every month you pay, I think it's 50 or 60 bucks. You can check the website and they'll send you something that's worth typically over 100 bucks. And it's kind of neat to see what they have every month. And well, I make these videos just so you can kind of get a background and look and see what you might could expect. But they've, in my experience, they've been doing a pretty good job of delivering the value. And usually there's some sort of knife or something in there, but you can check them out for yourself. There'll be a link in the video description below. This month, there are a couple of things in here, and I just want to go ahead and show you. So we'll cut to the chase. Okay, I decided just to bring you down here close to the old stump top so you can see what we got here. So this month, or whichever month this happens to be, has two items in it. The first one is this really cool QSP knife. It says better knife, better life there. I just wanted to give you close to this because this is a beautiful, beautiful knife. It's a folding knife, features Veriwood handles. Those things are just silky, silky smooth. Has a deep carry pocket clip, thumb studs, a lanyard hole, open design, but let me just show you this. It's a flipper style knife. Oh man, look at that. And look at that steel, would you? It's a Damascus steel, really, really pretty. Really smooth, very pretty knife. Liner lock, and man, I like that a lot. So that's the, let's see, it goes back in this way, I think. Yeah, so that's pretty cool there. Actually, we'll just leave it open here where you can see it because I think it's cool. And then stick you out of the way. And then the other item, which I thought was really cool, and this, by the way, is like $97, $95 value. So that's the most expensive of the two items this month. But this one is a $15 value, and I think this one, I like this one a lot because it's the Sons of Liberty playing cards. And they're made in the USA, as you can see, made in America. I like that a whole lot. Pretty cool design there, and got a nice little sticker on back that says void, so sealed. And I say I like these, I haven't even seen them, but I like the fact they're made in the USA, and I like playing cards. I think this, you know, good, clean fun. You can play some all sorts of stuff with a deck of cards. So let's see what they look like, though. Man, so and see what kind of. So first of all, they feel really good. They got a nice slick feel to them. They've got this nice single colored back. And it says rebellion, obedience, rebellion to tyranny up here, obedience to God right here, and same thing on both sides. And then there's the Joker as a stock. There's Aces, Tree of Liberty, just kind of classic looking. They look pretty cool. See if there's any. Okay, so there's the King, the Queen, the Jack. So yeah, just nice classic looking, old school looking cards. And then on this is just, I guess, let me just read this to you because I think it's pretty cool. Liberty will reign in America. Such was the cry of the Sons of Liberty on the eve of American War for Independence. With their beginnings in Boston, 1765, the Sons of Liberty and their ambitions for autonomy from Great Britain soon spread throughout the 13 colonies. Including such feats as the Boston Tea Party, these firebrands had their hand in many an undertaking to resist the oppression of British rule. We invite you to step back in time with us to an era where the freedoms we have today were something that had to be fought and bled for. In recognition, we gather around the Liberty Tree as those brave men and women before us and take up the call of freedom. I like that. So anyway, I know there's like a $100 knife and a $15 deck of cards. And me, oh, look at this, cool. That's pretty neat too. And me and you know, Mr. Knife Review dude likes the cards better. And I'm not saying I don't like the knife. I'm just saying I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the I know that's the one of, I don't even know which month this was, but that's one example of what you can expect from the folks at Gear EDC Club. Pretty stinking cool in my opinion. So. Chuck Norris can lift a concrete bench with one hand while he's sitting on it. Okay, well that was one example of a monthly offering you might expect from the folks at Gear EDC Club. And I got to say, I think it's pretty cool. That brings the total value, by the way, of this one to $97.95 plus 15. So that's what, and then $112.95, something like that, for around 50, 60 bucks. Again, you can check it out yourself in the link in the video description below. But I tried to pick out a couple of things I like from each box. Since there's only a couple of things in here, I'm going to pick them both because I really like this knife. I mean, this thing feels, it just, that wood, there's something about the feel of really good, well sanded, extremely smooth wood. It just feels great in your hand. This one is no exception. I think that blade is completely beautiful, and it's a really smooth action too. So this would be a really nice knife to you know, carry as an EDC knife. And then, I mean, come on, man, Sons of Liberty playing cards, that is pretty stinking cool. So anyway, thanks again to the folks at Gear Club, EDC Club, for sending me these things every month so I can eventually get around to showing them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. If you'd like to support the channel financially, by the way, I invite you to go to patreon.com/survivalonpurpose and check that out. And there's some stuff I can't really tell you here or there, but if you want to find out the secret, behind the scenes, super secret benefits that you might could receive from supporting me on Patreon, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and get signed up for my weekly email newsletter, where I can tell you some secrets I can't tell you anywhere else. So anyway, I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.